In this video, we have the most affordable and effective accessories for your car that you should buy right now. Are you bothered by the smell of cigarettes inside your car? Use this air purifier. Tire needs pumping but there's no nearby garage. Use this portable tire inflator. Is your car dirty? Here's this mini vacuum cleaner. After conducting so much market research, we brought you the best brand of these accessories within a reasonable price range and great user experiences. So let's get started without any extra ado. First of all, we have a vacuum cleaner available for just $19. However, the vacuum cleaner we have isn't for cleaning the house. It's actually a portable and wireless vacuum cleaner. You can use it wherever there's dirt or dust in your car, and it works like magic, especially in those hard-to-reach places like window crevices, which tend to accumulate the most grime. Also, it's great for easily cleaning your seats, so there is no more struggling to reach those tough spots on the floor. This vacuum cleaner will make your life easier. And it's not just for your car, you can also use it in your own home. Particularly in areas where it's hard to reach with regular cleaning tools, this vacuum cleaner effortlessly sucks up the dirt and debris. Look, regularly cleaning your car is a very good habit because the road dust and grime can cause extensive damage to your car's smaller parts. This could result in you needing to replace them frequently, costing you more in the long run. So, instead of constantly tallying up repair bills, invest just $19 in this exceptional portable vacuum cleaner. With a 94% positive review rating, you can easily get this gadget from any online or offline marketplace. So next, we have these seatbelt pillows. The seatbelt pillow is an absolute editor's choice product, especially for those who don't enjoy wearing seatbelts, tight ones that can be quite uncomfortable. So this seatbelt pillow is designed to be incredibly soft, helping to cushion the extra pressure from the seatbelt, so it will make you more enthusiastic about putting on your seatbelt. Furthermore, you can rest your head on it while traveling, a perfect thing for kids basically. So, whether you go on a long trip, don't forget to keep this pillow in your car. Now, some may consider it an unnecessary product, or useless. But do you know that in car accidents, 48% of fatalities involve drivers or passengers who weren't wearing seatbelts? So if they had been wearing seatbelts, it could have reduced those fatalities by 48%. That's why it's essential to encourage everyone to wear seatbelts, and this item can greatly handle this matter. With over 98% positive ratings, you can find this item available on all online marketplaces. So, order it today. So next, we have a dash camera or dash cam on our list and it's priced at only $23. And trust me, this is a very essential device that not many people are aware of, but it will help you to navigate various legal complexities. Basically, it's a 1080 pixels camera with an SD memory slot. You can record up to 32 gigabytes of footage with it. Imagine a sudden accident in your car, which, as we know, can be a complicated case. And this camera will capture that footage, which you can later use as evidence. It comes with a 2-inch display and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, making it easy to capture front-side events. Usually, cameras like these can be quite expensive. But the price of this camera we have in this video is very low, only $20, or it might go up to $25 on some platforms. As I said, it's more for emergencies and not for everyday use, but it can be really helpful when you do run into such situations. Link in the description of that product. So if you need one, check out below. Next up, we have Philips Car Air Purifier. Priced at just $44. This is a mid-budget product that proves to be incredibly helpful for your car's environment. In highly polluted cities, driving can lead to the accumulation of a significant amount of dust and pollutants inside your vehicle, resulting in poor air quality. Additionally, if you have a smoking friend who occasionally rides with you, the car can become unpleasantly odorous. This is where this product can truly make a difference. This device from Philips has gained viral popularity for good reason. It effectively purifies the air in your car, removing toxic gases and even blocking particles as small as 2.5 picometer, ensuring clean, fresh air. Weighing just 700 grams, it's easy to place on the back of your seat. It effortlessly filters the air around, creating a bacteria and odor-free environment. You can easily order this remarkable gadget from various platforms like Alibaba, Amazon, and more. So, get it to enjoy clean and fresh air during your rides, making your car journeys healthier and more pleasant. So, the next product available is a portable tire inflator. But it's not just portable, it's also rechargeable. And it's currently the most advanced, or, you could say, the latest piece among tire inflators. It uses a 2000 mAh battery, and it comes with a Type-C port for charging, although many brands still offer it with a Type-B port. Several inflation modes are available. Moreover, you can adjust the pressure level as well, so once it reaches that pressure level, it will automatically stop. These features are very important because we've seen accidents happen due to tire blowouts before. Furthermore, you can see there's an LED display here, which can also function as your flashlight. Not only that, but it can also be used for emergency calling. Truly remarkable. However, it's not just for your car tires, it can also charge your smartphone in emergencies. It means it's an all-in-one gadget. With a 2000 mAh battery, you can charge your phone by more than 50%. A very lightweight, portable, and good-looking device that you can use in multiple scenarios. There are several variants and price ranges of tire inflators available in the market, but this $29 gadget comes highly recommended. So, why wait? Grab it today. Okay, so we're all done for today. I know it was a short list, but I believe these are the things every car needs, to put it simply, the basic, but damn smart. Furthermore, you can share your custom car accessories list with us. Let's see who can make the best one among you people. And yes, don't forget to like the video. To get more effective gadget-related videos, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye.